Are you struggling with matching sentence endings in IELTS reading? What if I told you there's an effective strategy that can skyrocket your success? In IELTS reading, there are exercises requiring you to match sentence endings with their beginnings. This task can seem daunting, but context is your best ally. To master this skill, follow these steps. First, carefully read each sentence beginning. Understand the meaning and tone. Next, look at the options for the sentence endings. Identify keywords and phrases. Pay attention to any clues, such as synonyms or related concepts. Often, the answer lies hidden in the context of the paragraph. Cross-reference between the sentence beginnings and the potential endings to find matches. Consider this example. You might see a sentence beginning stating, "The research showed." Now, look at the endings. If one option mentions significant improvements, it's likely your match. Context helps you connect ideas. Each ending should logically follow the beginning. So, keep an eye out for how they relate. Let's summarize. Focus on understanding the context. Look for keywords and clues. Match them with the sentence endings logically. Ready to improve your IELTS reading skills? Transform your preparation with our Transform Academy course. Click the link in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.